Hey friend, this is Rajiv and you are watching GeekyByte. Welcome back to another video from this channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about how we can upload an Android application to Google Play Store. This video again a continuation of range of videos that you upload on Android app development. If you want to watch more videos or if you want to learn more on Android Studio, then you can see the link in the description where I upload a couple of videos, or you can visit our website at geekybyte.in. You can also download an Android app from the Google Play Store. Before going ahead, let us learn why do you really need to upload an application to Google Play Store. Because you know that you can have an APK and you can email to the users or you can post on your website. The reason uploading to Google Play Store is that when you upload a video to Google Play Store, they will verify for any viruses or malware. So when you user download the application, they are pretty much sure that this application doesn't have any virus. So this creates the confidence. And on top of that, Google Play Store is used by billions of people. So by uploading to Google Play Store, you're able to reach to billions of people. Now that we have the reason to upload an application to Google Play Store, let us learn how to do that. But before that, first thing that we need to have is an APK. If you want to learn how to create an APK, then I have added one video in the card section. You can watch that. And also you need to have some snapshot from the mobile devices. The more is better. Google recommends up to 5 snapshots. You need to have a feature graphics and the size being 1024 by 500 pixels. You need a logo and the size being 512 by 512. And finally you need $25 if you're uploading for the first time. So friends, now that we have everything set up for the uploading to Google Play Store, let me go to the computer screen and show you how to do that. Let's go to Google and search for Google Play Developer Console. Click on the first link. Since I have already logged in and I have some application in their Gmail ID, so it is showing this screen. I'm going to sign out and I'm going to show how is the interface for the new user. So I'm going to log in using a different email ID for which I doesn't have a developer account. So for the new user, the interface will be like this. If you go at the bottom, you have to agree on the agreement and you have to continue on the payment. Once the payment is successful, after a few hours, you could be able to upload an APK. Since I already have an account with some other email ID, so let me log in using that email ID because I don't have to pay $25 again. So as you can see, I have already one app published. At the top, click on create application if you want to upload a new application and give the title, and the title limit is up to 50 characters, and then click on create. Then you have to add the short description and the full description. And at the bottom you have to add some snapshot from the mobile devices. So those are my snapshots that I'm going to upload. Again, there are some guidelines like how your snapshot should be, so I'm going to create another video like about the guidelines. So at the bottom, let me add an feature graphics, and again the size should be 1024 by 500 pixels. And then we have to upload an icon, and the size should be minimum 512 by 512 pixel. So at the bottom you have to select the application type, whether it's application or a game, and you have to select the application category. So in my case it's a blogging channel, so I'm going to select as education. You have to have your website address here, and you have to give your contact email ID. You also need to give your cell phone number, and at the bottom you have to enter your privacy policy URL. So let me go to my website and copy the URL and paste it there. Once all set, click on save draft. Looks like there are some issues, and let me go down, and it looks like the cell phone number format is wrong, so I'm gonna add 91. So again looks like the format is wrong, so let me add the plus before 91 and let me see if it takes or not. Yes, it has been saved. Now let me go to app release and then go to production, and click on manage. Click on create release. Let's click continue. Accept the agreement and try to upload the APK. So as you can see that the APK shown some error, that it has some security issues. So let me going to fix that. I'm going to make a new video like how to fix those kind of issues. So keep watching our channel and you will have a new video how to fix that. For the time being, I'm going to fix that in my coding and I'm going to come back pretty quickly. So I have created an APK bundle and I'm going to upload that now. So again, there is a difference between the APK and APK bundle. I'm going to create another video on this also. So looks like this bundle has been uploaded. So at the bottom you can write about what's new in this release. Since this is the initial version, I'm going to write initial release. And finally click on save. So at the left hand side you can see whichever point has been completed, it will show a green mark. So let's me go to content rating and fill all the questionnaire. So it's pretty important to fill the information, otherwise your app might get rejected. So I have my content rating, then go to pricing and distribution, and since it is a free application, then select free. At the bottom you have to select in which countries your app should be available. By default it is unavailable for all the countries. You have to select for all the countries, and if you want you can exclude some countries, and if you exclude, then you'll be able to see this application in their countries. Once you're all set, click on Save Draft. And you have to click on Manage Google Play, and you have to select some other points. I mean, those are for regulatory purpose and need to be filled. Once you do all those things, click on Save Draft. Now at the top where the GeekyByte has been mentioned, you can see in a green color that it is ready to publish. So let me cross check all the points one more time before I publish the app. So it looks like all are set. Then go to app release again, click on edit release. At the bottom click on review. So looks like all are good. Then click on submit to load to production. So after that you have to wait for a couple of hours or might be a couple of days, and there are many reasons that your app might get rejected, because if you're not following the guidelines they'll reject you. So I'm going to make one more video on what could be the rejection region and how to face that. So as you can see, after about 15-20 minutes it is showing as the app is published, and there's an option that you can go there and go to Google Play where the app has been showing. So if I go to my Play Store, I can see the app has been published there. So guys, I hope like this video could able to help you in some means. If you feel that the video is helpful for you, then please like the video, please share the video and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, friends.